Hiya, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I received a giveaway from Scarlet Darkness and I am so happy because I really wanted to order this brand before and I don't know, I thought it was only on, Amazon and only if you buy it from the States, so you have a lot of, delivery fees to France. So I was kind of just putting this maybe later, maybe one day I will, purchase it, but I never did. Then I followed their Instagram and they were putting up some giveaways quite often. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna, enter all the giveaways and maybe one day I will win one. And yes, I did. So I am so grateful, so happy that I won a dress and I had the choice between 3 models. Anyway, this one was the most beautiful to me, so yeah, so I'm really happy, really grateful that I won this giveaway. So this dress is the Renaissance dress in black. It has a little zipper here that is really handy because I thought I wouldn't really fit into it, but it's kind of a bit elastic, so that's okay. In France I think I'm 100 C cup, if I'm right, because I never know for the bra size. So well, I have breasts, so it could haven't closed, but it's okay. So this dress is really nice and it has the little bolero that you can put above, and it arrived in a really normal envelope, and inside it was like this. So you can see the little logo, Scarlet Darkness, and of course inside there's only the bolero because the dress is here. Really love it. I think I'm gonna keep it on. So I'm just gonna show you the bolero. So this is a size, so it's a size L. Yeah, I was a bit doubting, can I wear L now? I don't know. Let's try. It's free, so I took L and I'm an L apparently, so that's good. And the little bolero is like this. The lace is cool. I mean, it could have been a bit cheaper because I don't know, I think the fabric is kind of simple, it doesn't really look like something super fancy and thick. So I was a bit scared that the lace wouldn't be that good quality, but I think it's kind of okay. I don't know what is the material. We're just gonna look. It is elastane, spandex, polyamide. So yeah, I think it's kind of cool, and there's a little bow like this. I like the ribbon, so it's really nice. And I'm gonna insert, of course, the try on. What can I say? So I really didn't know that there was a website. I was convinced that it was only on Amazon. Don't know why. And so I didn't order before because I've seen the delivery from the US to France and it was expensive, so I was like, yeah, maybe one day, and just continue entering some giveaways. Cool idea, because I won. So I don't know why I have like luck around me these days. I'm swearing I'm not paying them and I'm not lying. I really want this giveaway. So yeah, that's it. And I've seen quite a lot of reviews from Delia Lefay, and I really like her reviews. Really make me want to own one Scarlet Darkness dress. So this is it, and I think that now I'm gonna purchase for real. Yeah, I really like their design. They have Victorians, steampunk, goth, so I really like this brand. It arrived super quickly, so I'm in France, and I think I won the giveaway like maybe 1 week ago and it already arrived. I think I think it is something sent from China. I don't think it is really sent from the US, although prices are in dollar, and I really thought, you know, this interaction and the fact that I've seen it on Amazon, like the US Amazon, I really thought it was from there, but it arrived quickly and in a, you know, little sort of envelope that kind of reminds me the envelope from AliExpress. I know, I'm just, you know, judging from the envelope, so that's only me, but yeah, I think they maybe have, you know, some factories maybe somewhere else and just send it to me, because it was really quick. So, but China, no, it would have been like, yeah, at least 2 weeks, you know, so I really don't know. I should check, maybe I throw it away. Anyway, it arrived quickly, and it hasn't, you know, I didn't receive like some taxes like from the US, so I think that's okay. Anyway, so it's really nice. It has, you know, the little zipper. This holds my breast super nicely, so I really like this. It kind of has a flare shape. It's a bit like, it's a bit 50s in a way, because it's really, you know, like this, and makes really nice tightened waist and some hips. So this I really like, and it's not too short. I was afraid that it could be a bit short, but I'm not really tall. I'm 1.60 meters, and it arrived a bit under my knees, so that's perfect. Although it's kind of, you know, a bit light, so I really do want to wear it in summer. But in France, summer, you know, without tights, I don't really feel myself, so I think I'm gonna put like a sort of shorts, cyclist shorts underneath, as always, because I'm not feeling really comfortable with men and the stairs of the subway. You know what I mean? Anyway, so yeah, just this. It's really light, so if there's a bit of wind, woo, hello Marilyn. Anyway, so that's it. I think this is the most brief review I could have possibly made. If you have any question, let me know, because this is the first item I received from Scarlet Darkness, and yeah, I really think I would order more. So if I do, I would do also other reviews. Nothing sponsored. No, just won this giveaway. How cool is that? I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to brag. It's just that I'm super happy, and the girl who sent me the message to, you know, ask me my choice, because don't really remember the other projects, but there was one that was kind of really steampunk. Yeah, kind of really steampunk, and a bit, you know, that has brown pieces on it. That's not really me, so I wouldn't take this. And the other one I think was a bit too closed here, and I was like, okay, so this is more dress that I would wear in winter, but you know, with, I don't know, me working in retail again, it could, you know, be a bit too warm. So I think this is perfect, because I think even in winter I'm gonna wear this and I will be comfortable. So yeah, really comfortable dress, and I think this is super cute, super nice. And let me show you, even though I made a try on, you know, just like this. Whoop, the little color. How cute is this little collar like this? I really like this, and just, you know, just tie it here anyway, do a bow or something. And what am I doing? I don't know what you guys see, but yeah, so pretty. Really enjoying this, and I'm gonna wear it a lot. I think summer is not over. Anyway, so thank you for watching this review, and I see you in my next video. Cheers.